break you out of the O2. Drivers are climbing out under their own power. Everybody seems to be okay. Dave Intech out next to his car. Mike Kircher out walking around on the 80K. Ladies and gentlemen, these drivers risk their lives and put them all on the line for you every single weekend. How about a round of applause? All of these drivers that have gone down okay after that bad start. It isn't a question of if, it's when and how bad, and they definitely took some punishment in that start of the front straight. So ladies and gentlemen, a couple of minutes while the track crew does what they do. Thank you for your patience. We're going to be cleaning some of these cars up. Just thank God that the drivers are okay, not the way they wanted to start it, but it could have been a whole lot worse. So thank God they're all right. And just a few minutes of patience and we'll clean them up. So thank you guys very much for everything you did tonight.